got the feeling that we're meeting for the first time. Door with her head held high. Well, I just lost my job but didn't lose my pride. And we both know how we're gonna make it work when it hurts. When you pick yourself up, you get kicked to the dirt. Trying to make it work, man, these times are hard. But we're gonna stop by drinking on cheap bottles of wine, shit talking up all night.